Good morning, friends. I just came in my terrace, and I'm just so happy because the my plants here, there are only few plants here, and they are doing well. Okay, I'll show you. See, this one, like I have lettuce here doing well. We have a lettuce, and this the cactus up to there. And this is bougainvillea, and they are starting to flower now. I haven't, and this is, see, I don't know the name of these plants, but this is my favorite plants because the flowers all year round. And actually, they just I think I have a flower base before, and I just with these plants, and then I just put it here like this. See, like this one, I just came from my flower base, and it's dying, that's why I just put it there. And this one, it grew, and I think even this one I just put there, and because of the flowers, and I just put there, and they just grow. See, they're all growing. The original plant is only this, and now there are how many plants here now already. And even this, see, look at this, all these flowers now. And the history of this bougainvillea is I put in Bunnings when they are on sale, because they are it's like dying or withered, or they don't have much water, and I think it's only $5 each, these three. But the thing is, they're all the same colors, and I just planted them, and they grew. They're very they're very good. They're alive. They just need water before. Okay, so it's very cute, and I'm planning to go to the cemetery to bring my these flowers to my parents. Okay, so I'm just happy because it's growing. See, look at this. All flowers. But